Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody's doing okay. So today I wanted to do another try on the Starburst. So I made up some paint and I thought let's start with some gold in the center. I did thin down the rest of my paint as well. So this is 24 karat gold by DecoArt. Okay. Then let's do, this is Primary Blue by Amsterdam. Then it's Paints Gray by Lucas. This is Silver by Lucas. Let's go for Phthalo Blue from Amsterdam. I think I want to do a lighter color first. Let's do a little bit more Primary Blue. Some more gold. This is the first time for me using the 24 karat gold. I just got it in yesterday. So I've not painted with it before. It's really expensive and really hard to get. So I'm really hoping that it works. Let's do the Permanent Violet Blue from Amsterdam. Gonna go for the Paints Gray. Look at what that gold is doing. It's just flowing over everything. And then I've got my scrape off from yesterday, and I'm just gonna use that as a flow extender. Okay, let's just torch for some bubbles. And I wanted to add just the tiniest bit of Oxide Black from Amsterdam. In the middle. And because my hairdryer is a little bit too big for this canvas, this is 20 by 20 centimeter, I'm gonna blow it with my straw. Well, that looks pretty. I think I still have a lot of paint on my canvas, but I'm scared to blow some more because I think I'm gonna muddy it up. I'm just gonna try and blow on the edges. So I really like the results. I'm gonna let it dry. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye guys! Hi guys, I just wanted to show you the dry result of this Starburst I did. And I wanted to show you in this light because look at this. Woo! All that gold. Yeah, I think I like the DecoArt 24 karat gold. It's amazing.